Hello everybody, I'm here to talk a little about AI, stands for Artificial Intelligence. I did a little programming because I was thinking, you hear of Siri or Cortana, they don't do what I wanted to do sometimes and I can't change the custom commands I want. So I went ahead and spent a little bit of time writing this on myself and before we start, you do need a webcam and microphone, and of course you know why the microphone is for you to speak to the AI itself, and you'll find out why you'll need the webcam in a minute here. Let's start up.
Please look at the camera and wait for your face to be scanned. Face scan and detection complete. You are identified as a correct user. Please wait. Welcome. I am now at your service.
Stop listening.
Yes, darling, I will stop listening to you now.
Alright, so now I'm going to go over this list here that I put up here. There's just topics up or things I'm going to say so you know that what I added so far, and I'm probably missing a couple here, but I'm just gonna go over real quick. Alright, so the bot right now, the AI stopped listening to me because I told him to, or her to. But once I start up again, I'll start listening to these commands, okay? So start listening. Start listening.
Yes, darling, I am now at your command.
Go to Facebook.
You said go to Facebook.
Yes. Search for elephant.
You said searching for elephant.
Yes. Search for a monkey.
You said searching for monkey.
Yes. Read selected text.
I will now read the selected text for you, sir. Monkeys are haplorhine, dry-nosed, primates, a group generally possessing tails and consisting of about 260 known living species. There are two distinct lineages of monkeys, New World monkeys and
Stop.
Catarrhines.
Search selected text for day.
Searching for search selected text
No.
for
Search
Saturday, April
select
22nd, 2017.
okay. Search selected text for day.
Searching for search selected
No.
text for
Search selected text for ground.
Searching for ground.
Yes.
There are one matches with the word ground.
Close text view. Open Visual Studio.
You said to open Visual Studio.
Yes.
Loading Visual Studio now, please wait.
Open Word.
You said to open Word.
Yes.
Loading Word now, please wait.
Open Excel.
You said to open Excel.
Close Excel.
You said to close Excel.
Yes.
Closing Excel now, please wait.
Close Word.
You said to close Word.
Yes.
Closing Word now, please wait.
Right. Stop listening.
Yes, darling, I will stop listening to you now.
Alright, so basically there's the list, and for the open and close program there's a list that you can manage, and you'll see when I turn this the AI back on. Start listening to me. Start listening. Start listening.
Yes, darling, I am now at your command.
Edit my task. Alright, so you can see that you can write here the task name and you browse the task, and here's the list of the apps, and you can say open specific program and it will open the apps with where the location is. So
You said to open and the period of us, or
No,
perhaps they can save a specific program and fellow and perhaps
stop.
with where the location is so.
Close task view. Alright. Alright. Stop listening. Stop listening.
Yes, darling, I will stop listening to you now.
Alright. So I'm going to do a match my music images and then musics. Uh, images are matching images are basically what you need to do is like you select one image and then you can select after that you select one or more images that you want to match with, and it should tell you the matching percentage on it. And you try to, if you're doing some sort of security or analyzing things, you want to be able to have a higher percentage. But in this example, I'm just matching anything with zero point 0.5 or over. So remember before, or I'll say that this app record everything locally, so you don't have to worry being recorded anywhere else beside your computer. So it stores the image of your face and everything like that. So it's usually in the app data directory. So I'll show you later. But let's do the match my images here. Start listening. Start listening.
Yes, darling, I am now at your command.
Match my images.
Select an image you want to match. Select images that you want to match with the previous image. Please wait, matching image now. There are 28 matching images.
Stop listening.
Yes, darling, I will stop listening to you now.
Alright, so now you can see that this here is the percentage, the matching the each image that you select the second time to the first one. So you can see the result here is pretty high because my face pretty much look like other face that I time milliseconds apart. Here's 0.91. So if you want to match, you want to test to see if this actually works, you can just do match the same image. It should return 1 on here. Okay, so match, start listening. Start listening.
Yes, darling, I am now at your command.
Match my images.
Select an image you want to match.
Okay, I'll select this one here.
Select images that you want to match with the previous image.
Now select the same one.
Please wait, matching image now. There are 1 matching images.
So you see that it gave a 1 because it's the exact same match because I chose the same images, same image. Alright, so onto music, okay, and let's do that. Play music. Okay, next. Okay, stop music. And you can control the volume as well here. You can see that it's at 47 now, so I'll change it to a certain number. And as the music play before, you realize that I don't have any player open up. It's in the background. It plays through the AI as well. That's the way it is that I designed it to do that.
You
So
said
let's
to open and change it to a star number
no
8 as the music player before you realize that
stop
all have
talking.
any player up its.
Okay. So turn volume up to 80%. turn volume to 80%. Let's see. Turn volume to 0%. Turn volume to 50%. Alright, so you see that it's working. Now, the way I designed the app, actually, hold on a second. Stop listening.
Yes, darling, I will stop listening to you now.
The way I design is that usually all this information are stored in here. We just go to user. So this is the area that's in, and the default command you can usually you should be able to find it in here. Um, the my command. Okay, these are the uh, normal commands that you assign, and you can't really change these. These are being pre-programmed in, and the one that you can edit or like the program you want to open and things like this. But you can play around to find out what happened here. No matter what you do to this text, every time you start up the program, it's gonna repopulate it with the default command, so you don't have to worry if you mess things up with this text view. The default music path, this right here, I set it to that. You can change it when you say play music, or when you play music, it'll have a little bar right here that display the directory, and you can click on the little bar to change the default path. Now, when you play music, it should by default pick the music folder in your Windows desktop. I believe, yeah, this is the folder. If it can't find any, then it will go ahead and tell you that it can't find any, and it tells you to browse to another directory with all your music in it. Okay, so that is pretty much for now. I'm sure I missed one or two commands or things that I didn't talk about, but uh, this app basically is still in testing phase, but so far that it's okay to use. I wouldn't say um, it's so buggy that you can't use it, but you can still use it. With the face detection wise, it's right now it's per account because I did save the images into your account directory in your app data, as you can see here. And then you go to roaming, you go to picture scan, and you see what when I was doing the other demo, I was using these images here to match my images. It should automatically scan the first whatever 100 images into your system when you first boot up the program, and then it tell you that you're the new user, and then the second time when you boot up the program, let's say you close and you boot up, it will scan your face and it will take a picture of the all these images again, just well 25 times, and then it uses those 25 images and it go through this folder, each one it compare and it give back a value, and then that value it takes the average, and then you see the number depending on how high or how low it is, it's telling you it's you, and it's a little bit more detail on that, but that's basically how it works. um, and I believe you can get the app on here, and I have uploaded uh, through the website. here. I don't know what the heck it is, but this website here, just click on it, and it's a setup exe. You can download it and put it in your computer and just run it like any other setup program you would. Well, let me know if it doesn't work. I don't have the source code out there yet because I'm still writing it, and see how many people are interested in this. It's an ongoing project, because the more things you want the AI to do, the more things you write for it. So that's just how it works. Alright, well, bye for now.